So, before starting this session, just let me introduce myself. So, myself, Rajsekhar, I have 12 plus years of experience in the IT industry, like trainings as well as in development sector. So now we will see a little bit on this course. So before that, just can you introduce yourself? So what is your background and why you are learning this course?
Actually, now I am working as a software engineer in a
Oh,
company.
mhm.
There I need to learn that Android and Kotlin. Actually, I'm working on Java.
Okay.
I'm a Java developer.
Okay.
So
So
is it necessary to learn Android or not?
that depends on your company. Like see, outside what happens if your company has Android projects, so there are no other Android developers. So the company will prefer if you learn this, it will preferable to you because you will write the API development in Java and the same for the same you will only develop the mobile application. So you have like you became as a full stack developer, completely as a full stack, including mobile and web.
Yeah.
So it will be good for your career also future.
Yeah, that's why I want to learn Android and Kotlin.
Okay, that's great. And how many years of experience you have?
I just joined before 4 months in this
Okay,
company.
okay. This is first your first job only.
Yeah.
Okay. That's no worry. So just here, so some other people will also join. So, but just today, just for you, just I want to give the small introduction about this one. So first we
Okay.
need to understand the word. What is Android? So what you know about this word Android?
Actually, I have not searched yet about Android. I think that you will teach me from scratch. That's why I don't know anything about
I, I
Android.
I'll teach from scratch, but just I'm asking that not a programmatical side. So because now we are using Android mobiles only, right? Because of the reason I'm
Yeah,
asking.
that's all I know. We are using Android mobiles.
Yeah, okay, no worry. So Android is an operating system. So it is operating system. Like how we are using our Windows, Linux, Mac, like how for the desktop and laptops we are using operating systems, those Windows, Linux, Mac, right? So similar way, this is the operating system for mobiles, tabs, TVs, watch. Like nowadays, lot of many other electronic gadgets are there. So those all gadgets are came with operating system. That operating system is nothing but it's an Android. So that is Android is an operating system. Then after
Okay.
this Android operating system, then one more word it is there. It is a open source. So what is open source? Open source is nothing but it's a freely available. So we can make that freely available. We can get the free course here, if you are a developer. So you can get a development environment with free of cost. So you can develop apps
Yeah.
without any paying any amount to the development environment. You can easily get that. Then after, if you are a manufacturer, mobile manufacturers, so you can customize the operating system. Easily you can customize the operating system. For even for that also, no need to pay anything for that. And as a end user, we all are the end users. We are using mobiles, watch, many things on this platform. So with free of cost. So that we are doing here this open source. Then next, it is a development environment. So using this, we can build applications. So that is a development environment. And one more last that is, we can say that is the Linux kernel. So the Linux kernel is the word where we can see this Linux kernel. So this kernel is nothing but it's a backend operations. It will handle complete the operating system because the operating system built on a Linux platform. So the Linux kernel is the one layer. So Android will run always on the top of this Linux kernel. So that is the reason this we can say these 4 words we can say the definition of the Android. So Android is an operating system. So it is an open source. So using this we can build a development environment, and it is running on the top of the Linux kernel. So this is the and so why you need to learn this course. So there are many benefits are there if you learn this course. So the first one is majority of the people will come with the reason of job. Okay. So then after that some other people will you can develop your own application. For example, if I learn Java or if I learn Python, if I learn something else, I can get the job easily. In even though if you learn Android, also can get the job easily. But here we have extra few benefits, that is own apps. So if you develop your own application and if you upload those application in a Play Store, so you will get the many benefits from those applications, like you can earn some amount with those kind of applications, because nowadays we are seeing many applications in the Play Store, right? So those are the apps, we can get some amount from the apps also. Then next also we can get the freelancer opportunities. So like freelancer means like see in a Play Store many applications are there, but those all are the applications not uploaded by the developers, right? Someone else. Like I need some application, for example. So I'm not a developer. I know you are Android developer. So if I approach you, you will learn that application in maybe 10,000, 20,000 like that. Same application. If I go with some company, definitely they will charge huge amount. So 50,000, 1 lakh. So I cannot ready to invest that much. So definitely I can go with the freelancer because of the reason. In this technology, we have extra 2 benefits. One is the own application, other is the freelancer. So these 2 extra benefits here we are getting this.
Okay.
So then after this, so here normally what happens with this course here, this course is totally it's a 45 days duration. So in a 45 days of duration, every day we will spend 1 hour session. So 1 hour session. So in this 1 hour, so we will learn from Android scratch to latest version, that is with Android 13. So with Android 13, we will develop the application that is with Kotlin. This Android development can do with 2 languages. One is Java, other is the Kotlin. So if you already have knowledge in Java, so you can easily understand the Kotlin syntaxes and also that is plus point for you. So then after each and every topic, so each and every topic, once while we are discussing here, right, I'll create each and every program in front of you people, and I will write line by line code with explanation here itself in a classroom itself. Means no, there is no fixed predefined programs like that. I have to create each and every program in front of you people, and I'll explain clearly with line by line explanation. So in that particular case, if any particular program is important for interview point of view, so I'll explain you that how you need to answer such a question in interview. And also end of the each session, I'll give the tasks. So I'll give you the tasks. So the task around 100 tasks I'll give you. So once if you done those all the tasks, so definitely you will get minimum 1.5 to 2 year of experience if you done those tasks 100% successfully. So definitely you will get that. And also in the classroom, We will discuss around 100 programs. So it's around 200 programs we will cover on the end of this course. And also I'll share the PDF. That PDF contains. So the PDF contains theoretical as well as the programmatical examples. So that we have. So and also we will cover with means whatever the sessions has done, so that you will get the video recordings. And after that, so coming into this subject wise, so there are some of the major updates, like major things are there. So those major topics like that is web services. So web services means completely you can communicate with the server using Android mobile. Like you can build the dynamic applications like Android means Flipkart, Amazon. Like it is where it is communicating with the server every time, right? Like that kind of applications. And also you can make online and offline application using the, so that is online and offline application using local database, that is a SQLite database. So that we will discuss. And we will discuss material design to make an attractive applications. We can use the material design, and we will use the fragments, so which we can alert, we can reusability of the layout and to attract the user. So that fragments we will discuss. And the Google Maps, how to handle Google Maps on your application, so that we will discuss in the Google Maps. And finally, how to upload app in a Play Store, and how to add ads in your application, so how to get the income from those kind of ads. So that all we will discuss in detail, each and every topic by topic. So completely the 45 days of duration, these all are will discuss. And here one more thing, when we are discussing about the web services, right? So there I'll teach you like in real time oriented thing, like once the user has registered with the real time database, then after log in with the real time database. So then after how to manage the session once user has logged in. So we need to maintain the session. So then after the session, next we will clear the session whenever we want. Means that is a logout functionality, and based on the user, we will display some specific data to the user that is coming from the server side. So that kind of complete how to manage real-time application. That is the way we will discuss here on that part. So that is clear, is this, or you have any questions here up to here?
Okay, sir. Which web service you are going to use?
It's a JSON based, JSON only.
Okay.
RESTful service, JSON that we will use.
Okay.
So yeah.
So that what about the course fee?
Course fees is 10,000. So this already the details here.
Okay. When the course will going to start?
Yeah, in next 1 or 2 days we'll start, because some of the people are already yesterday and Friday few people joined. Yesterday people joined. Today now you joined. So we'll combine all people in next 1 or 2 days. We will start maybe from the Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, right? Mostly tomorrow we will start the regular sessions.
Okay.
Okay, so course wise, if you have any questions, just you can ask now so that I'll clarify. So just I'll show you the course content as well, which I'll show you the course content. So this is the course content what we are going to discuss with Android 13. Initially we'll discuss about the introduction, then Android architecture, then setup for the after that the first program and XML, basic user interface, how to design. Then common user interface like button, checkbox, toggle button, seek bar, rating bar, and then after that create a forms. Then components of Android. So this is the basic thing. After that we'll discuss some of the advanced topics like user interface, how to add this, create a user advanced multimedia like media, video, audio. So then telephone manager, like how to send SMS calls, emails, Wi-Fi manager, how to connect with, and then nowadays Bluetooth is very important. So that Bluetooth also we will discuss here, because nowadays we are connecting IoT devices using this Bluetooth. So that also we'll discuss. The next intents. So how to connect with the, how to go with the page by page, and how to open camera, how to open the gallery. So such kind of things we'll discuss here. Then after here we will discuss the web services using the JSON. So in a web services also there are the different, and I think in Java you already know the data binding concept. So similar data binding concept here we will use. And after that fragments, reusability of the layouts. This we will use to reduce the application size. Then just I told SQLite library. So that using the local database we will discuss. We will do that one. Next is the retrofit and Volley. These two are the advanced libraries for the web services. So in a real time oriented, some people are using Volley, some people are using retrofit. Because of that, we will discuss two libraries here. So maybe if you use that or this, depends on the organization that we use. And the next is the material design. Then Firebase. This Firebase is also nowadays it's a very important, because you need to send the notifications, that kind of applications that we will discuss. Then after Google Maps, Google Places, animations, ads account, how to create ads account, and how to upload the application in Play Store. And after that, how to manage the code repositories, GitHub, GitLab, how to maintain those repositories and all. And we will discuss in detail here. This is our course content.
Okay, sir. Will it complete in 45 days, all these things?
Yeah, 45 days complete.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
4-5 days things will increase, because someday we maybe we'll spend 1 hour 10 minutes. Someday we will spend like 55 minutes. Depends on the topic. Some topic we are in between, that 1 hour has completed. Maybe we'll spend we need 5 more minutes. We'll spend like 5 more minutes also extra someday. Like that, it will be the 50 to 55 hours course completely.
Okay.
Okay. So you can join tomorrow. Mostly tomorrow we will start our regular session.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.